Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a dynamic lookup list. So first of all, I'm just going to type some items in column A, which will be my list. So car, tax, and gas, for example. And then in column B, I'll go to the data tab and do data validation, which will look at that list. So you go across and add rule. It's sitting in cell B1, drop down from range, and then I'm just going to select initially those three, and then OK, and then that will give me a lookup of those three items. But if I add something underneath that list, water for example, when I go in there, it doesn't pick water up because that wasn't what I selected. So what I want to do now is show you a way around that so you can create a lookup list or data validation list that is dynamic without using formulas, which you do have to do in some other programs. So if I just color this one up, get the paint pot, just color it orange. Now before I do the data validation now, I want to highlight this column, column A, and I want to name it. It's already called Sax, but if I call it Bob, so that's called Bob. Now the same process, let's remove that rule, add rule. So it's picking up that. Now I need it to be in the same option, drop down from range, but this time I'm not selecting a range, I'm typing equals Bob and then clicking done, and then I should get that list. There's a list. If I miss one out, so that Bob is the whole of column A. If I type something with a gap, because it doesn't show gaps, it just picks that up. So if anything going in this column A now is going to be in this drop down list, like so. So that's just a very short video of how you can create a dynamic lookup list using named ranges and data validation. So hopefully that video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.